hats nearly as big as Texas. My name is Callie Meredith and I need your help today. We are providing hats for a large birthday party, and the standard at the company is perfectly symmetrical hats. How will we do this? Well, later we will show you.
A circle is the set of all points that are equidistant from a given point called a center. A segment whose endpoints are on the center and any point on the circle is a radius. A chord is a segment whose endpoints are on the circle. A diameter is a chord that contains the center of the circle. A secant is a line that intersects the circle in 2 points, while a tangent is a line in the plane of the circle that intersects the circle at exactly 1 point, the point of tangents. 2 circles can intersect in 2 points, 1 point, or no points. Coplanar circles that intersect in 1 point are called tangent circles. Coplanar circles that have a common center are called concentric circles. A has 4 common tangents, B has 3 common tangents, C has 2 common tangents, and D has 1 common tangent. Theorem 10.1. In a plane, a line is tangent to a circle if and only if the line is perpendicular to a radius of the circle at its endpoint on the circle. You can verify if a line is a tangent by using the Pythagorean theorem. In this equation, you do 12 squared plus 35 squared equals 37 squared, which equals 1,369, and it is a tangent. In example 2, you do the same thing as before, verifying if the line is a tangent. You plug in the numbers, which equal to 416 and 64. The equation does not follow the Pythagorean theorem, so the line is not a tangent. In this example, you're finding the radius of the circle instead of the tangent. You substitute the numbers, then multiply to get r squared plus 100r plus 2,500 equals r squared plus 6,400. You subtract from each side and then divide each side by 100 to get your radius as 39 feet. Theorem 10.2. Tangent segments from a common external point are congruent. If line segment SR and line segment ST are tangent segments, line segment SR is congruent to line segment ST. In this equation, you use theorem 10.2, which states that tangent segments from the same point are congruent. You substitute the numbers and then solve for x, which equals 8. In this equation, you are solving for x. You plug in the numbers and then subtract 5 to get 2x squared equals 8. You divide each side by 2, which gives you x squared equals 4. You find the square root of both, and you get x equals 2. section can be difficult because you need to remember theorems and formulas. In problems like these, you'll need to remember to factor your numbers. Also, it's important to know Pythagorean theorem and the Pythagorean triples.